Welcome to the character design course on how to create a 2D character. Hey guys, this is Yash and you're watching Zot the Odd. In this video series, we are going to teach you a complete step-by-step process on how you can create your own 2D character which you can use in game, illustration, any graphic design or any comic or wherever you want to use it. We will start with understanding the basic of a character design, covering all the theory part, and then in the second video I am going to cover the concept art process and how to do it. Then we will start with designing the rough sketch of our character, followed by defining it and detailing it. Then in the final step we will be polishing the character and removing all the things which we do not need anymore in the character. In the end of the video lecture, I will give you a specific task. Make sure you complete it first and then move on the second video. Also, I am going to use Photoshop in this course, but you may use any 2D software. This is going to be a beginner's course, so you are not required to have any basic skills of drawing or art. You may use mouse as well, but I won't recommend using it. If you do not have a pen or graphic tablet, you can use all these traditional tools such as pen, pencil and a paper. That's it, you do not need anything else. So the task for today's video is get yourself ready and let's dive into it. Subscribe to this channel and let's become a better game dev together. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the first lecture. Bye bye.